Hello, my name is Jamie Lynn. I'm from Austin, Texas, and I go to the University of Texas. I chose to do an internship here at the International Hellenic University because I really wanted to step foot into a research lab, and I really found it interesting when we were doing DNA extractions of fungi as well as Pinna nobilis, which is a fan mussel, and we were able to visualize all of the data within PCR tests. I was really happy with my choice here to come to IHU because I did learn a lot. I learned how to really fine line my pipetting skills, and I'm glad that I was able to come here through Cerca. And I will say that being here was definitely a change. Thessaloniki is very different from Austin, and Greece is also very different from Texas and the USA in general. But I do think it was a good experience, and I would recommend it.